up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries. We are going to do a reaction video for another homecoming performance of a true champion from The Voice Season 26 USA, of course, none other than Sofronio Vasquez, live on AOS, guys. Grabe. Diba? Nakakatuwa to see Sofronio singing in both channels. And nabalita ko this Sunday, dalawa yung guesting niya, nasa ASAP din siya, guys. Kaya naman siya, pinag-acta natin parehas, diba? Tingnan natin kung saan siya mas magaling. Charit lang. Of course, he will always give her very best and 110% performance. Kasi both he deserved to perform very well. Kasi these two shows will showcase him very, very well as well. Of course, deserve na makatungtong siya in both stage, diba? Because he represent the country, not a network, not a certain management, so he can guess kahit saan, diba? So that's the perks of being a world champion, diba? So tingnan natin what he was gonna perform in AOS, kung may makasama ba siya. So yun ang ating abangan. But before proceeding, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. There it is, guys. Ganda ng stage ng AOS, no? Ooh, unstoppable. Ooh, he's wearing the iconic hat.
And all through the nighttime. Oh yeah, yeah, I'll tell you what you want.
And the outfit.
Leave my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time.
Grabe, first time niya to sa GMA.
I put my armor on, I'll show you how I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a horse with no brains. I'm invincible. And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need
version niya to sa The Voice.
I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable.
Kabog, guys, grabe. Nakaka-proud na from support natin sa kanya sa The Voice. Now, he is very well received sa Philippines. No, nakakatuwa. And of course, he deserves our support kasi he bring the Philippines to the map. And the first Asian as well. So, hindi lang Philippines, but the whole Asia. He's representing it. And he's the first grand champion.
Break down, only alone, I'll cry on now.
Iba na rin siya mag-perform ang champion.
Deep down. Yeah, I know. I'd rather to let you finish on. It's the only way to make friendships go. I'm too afraid now. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I put my armor on, show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a force with no brakes. I'm invincible. And I win every single game.
Ito kayo mga ganun-ganun. Yun yung style niya eh. Yung tingin na ganun.
I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today.
Grabe. Gusto ko rin yung ganong style niya, no? Alam mo yung may peak yung song and then biglang pupunta siya dun, yung switch. It was so good kasi yun parang sinasabi niya, natutunan niya. Parang learn when to peak. Pageantry pala siya rin.
I put my armor on, show you that I am.
Grabe. May pa-kick pa siya doon. Ay, wala siyang kasama. Siya lang.
And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today.
Grabe.
Yeah, it's not for today.
There you have it, guys. That is Frodio Vasquez in AOS stage singing Unstoppable. Grabe, unstoppable na talaga ang tuloy-tuloy niyang well-received homecoming. And I saw in Facebook na na-meet niya din si President, diba? Courtesy call sa Malacanang. Grabe yun. So, he's really a pride of the country and he deserves to be supported whatever network it is, the entertainment. Kasi he represents Philippine entertainment and OPM, so sobrang nakakatawa to see him in AOS. And grabe, no, yung the way he's delivering the song is the same feels, the same execution, talagang, tas nagle-level up pa nga di ba? Mas bumubongga pa kasi iba yung pag nasa competition ka, syempre kabado ka doon, but when you are performing as a performer na iba na yung level of confidence, and he is really unstoppable. So ano masasabi nyo naman dun, mga puso? Comment naman kayo dyan. Sorry. But of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and all subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.